How to download Netflix on Samsung Smart TV. First of all, you're going to want to press the home button on your Samsung remote. It might look a little different to this, you might have a different version, but either which way, get onto the Samsung home screen here. Then you want to scroll along using the little D-pad there to the left hand side. Click that left hand side button all the way until you see the apps section. Go ahead and click on the apps section by using the middle return button, as you can see there. That's going to bring you to this page where you want to press up on that D-pad, the upwards button, until you can get to that little search bar at the top right hand corner there. As you can see, that little magnifying glass app search icon. And once you've clicked on that, you'll want to go ahead and just simply type in Netflix. So it should just be enough to just type in N and it should appear there right away. And then once you see that, you just want to go ahead and scroll up to the Netflix section where it says Netflix video. Click on that, and then once you've done that, it will either give you the option to download or it'll go straight onto there. Then you can either sign in to your existing account or create a new one. Leave a like on the video if that helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.